Alright, today we'll do activity that related to rough and smooth. Let's go. Alright, this is surface or texture for sea sand. Alright. While next for this sand is texture for kinetic sand. This sand is actually smoother than sea sand. Alright, how to do this activity? Parent have to ready the kinetic sand and sea sand. Then ask child to ready their hand like this. Then parent put the sand each on child hand. This is kinetic sand and this is sea sand. Let them to touch the sand. Then child have to tell which smooth and which rough. And kinetic sand is actually smooth, and sea sand is rough. This means. Thank you. This activity is related to sensory educational. Then the reason for this activity first is to improve child sensory discrimination. When they touch the sand, that will improve their tactile and they will know which one smooth and which one rough, which one smoother or which one rougher. That's the second reason is to improve child cognitive ability. When they know when the sun on their hand, then the receptive will tell to the cognitive which one rough, which one is smoother. They will think. That will improve their cognitive ability. Second is when parent ask child to say, to tell which one is rough and which one is smooth, that will improve their language development. Their motor planning will be improved when they are trying to say those words. That's all.